Congratulations! You landed a new job. But starting a new job can feel overwhelming. Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll learn 15 essential expressions to help you navigate your first day with confidence. You will learn, how to remember, and use new vocabulary in English. You'll get answers to what are the common mistakes you should avoid? What practical ways will you use to build your English vocabulary and remember what you learn? You will even be able to practice a dialogue or conversation and then record and replay on your voice recorder. My name is Marie. I am a professional English tutor. My LinkedIn profile is in the description. Let's jump right in. The best way to learn vocabulary for the workplace is by using it in real-life contexts. That means writing down phrases you can use in your first few days on the job. Imagine yourself in the situation and use the new vocabulary to achieve your goal. This will help you build a strong, active vocabulary that is tailored to your needs. You will listen to realistic conversations in this video as Amy starts her first day on the job at Stella's Sneakers. She expertly uses polite greetings, clear questions, and appropriate vocabulary to impress her colleagues. Here are some common mistakes to avoid when learning new vocabulary. Trying to learn too many words at once. The correct way is to focus on mastering a small number of expressions at first. Another mistake many learners make is learning words that aren't important to your work or family. This video targets specific phrases you'll use on your first day. How many of you try to memorize long lists without context or real situation? In this video, we'll use these expressions in practice scenarios for starting your first day to help them stick. Of course, if you don't spend enough time to practice the new words that you do need in your real life, you won't find them when you need them. Do this. Record yourself saying them and imagine using them in real situations. Actively using the new vocabulary in speaking, writing, and listening exercises related to your life will help you remember the words when you need them. Don't just learn, master these expressions by actively using them in conversation. Record yourself and listen back. You'll be amazed at how quickly your vocabulary grows.
To make a great first impression, here are some key expressions to practice. Nice to meet you. Formal greeting. I'm excited to be here. Show enthusiasm. Thank you for having me. Express gratitude. It's a pleasure to work with you. Show politeness. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Here are some helpful phrases to get you started. Excuse me, could you please clarify? Ask for clarification politely. I'm not sure I understand. Could you explain that again? Reiterate a question. Do you have any questions for me? Offer reciprocity. As new employee, you can show your willingness to learn with these expressions. I'm a fast learner, and I'm eager to get started. Show willingness. What are some of your priorities for today? Understand expectations. Who should I contact if I have any questions? Identify points of contact. Building relationships with colleagues is important. Use these helpful phrases. I'm looking forward to working with you all. Show camaraderie. Is there anything I can help you with today? Offer assistance. Would you like to grab coffee sometime? Initiate casual interaction. At the end of the day, you can say, "It was nice meeting everyone." Leave a positive impression. See you all tomorrow. Express well wishes. This is Amy's first day at Stellar Sneakers. Let's see how she uses her new vocabulary to go through her day. You can change some words in the conversation to suit your personal situation for a more meaningful practice.
Good morning, Amy. Welcome to Stellar Sneakers.
Good morning. Thank you.
My name is Lisa.
and I'll be handling your onboarding process today. Please have a seat.
Lisa, it's nice to meet you.
The pleasure is mine, Amy. So you're joining us as our new marketing associate. That's exciting.
Yes, it is. I'm really looking forward to it. Stellar Sneakers has such a dynamic brand, and I'm eager to be a part of the team.
That's wonderful to hear. Now, let's go over some of the paperwork you'll need to fill out today. Do you have any questions as we go through this?
Actually, Lisa, there is one thing. Could you clarify this section on health insurance options? There seem to be a few different plans.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Lisa. That makes much more sense now. Just to confirm, the deadline to enroll is next week, right?
Correct. I'll be sure to send you a reminder email with all the details. All right, Amy, that's most of it for today. I'll send you a welcome email with some additional resources and information.
Thank you so much, Lisa. I appreciate you taking the time to walk me through everything. No problem at all, Amy. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm sure you'll do great here.
This schedule outlines your meetings for the rest of the morning. Your direct manager, David, is expecting you next.
Great. Thank you again, Lisa. It's a pleasure to work with you.
The feeling is mutual, Amy. Best of luck.
Well, Lisa is off to a great start. Now, before she meets with David and her new team, you can pause the video and check the vocabulary she used from the vocabulary list so far. See how her using the listed expressions helped her first meeting to go smoothly?
All right, Amy, this is David, your direct manager.
Hi, Amy. It's a pleasure to meet you. Welcome to the team.
Thank you, David. I'm looking forward to working with you.
The feeling is mutual. Let's chat about your role and some upcoming projects.
On Amy's first day at Stellar Sneakers, she will meet the development team for the first time. Let's see how she uses her new vocabulary to create a great first impression. You can change the text to practice for your personal or unique situation. By the way, if you like the human realistic images you are seeing, they were made by an app, Get Image, and there will be a link in the description below.
Everyone, please welcome our newest team member, Amy. Amy, why don't you take a moment to introduce yourself and tell us a bit about why you're excited to be here at Stellar Sneakers.
Hi, everyone. Thanks for the warm welcome. My name is Amy, and I'm thrilled to join the team as your new marketing associate. I've been following Stellar Sneakers for a while now, and I'm particularly excited to be joining the team at such a crucial stage. The early development phase of a brand is so dynamic and full of creative possibilities. I'm a fast learner, and I'm eager to get started. I can't wait to learn from all of you and contribute my ideas to upcoming marketing campaigns.
That's a fantastic attitude, Amy. We're all happy to have you on board. Let's give Amy a round of applause.
Oh, and by the way, David, could you tell me a bit more about the team's priorities for the upcoming marketing campaign? Also, is there someone in particular I should go to if I have any questions about specific projects?
Sure, Amy, that's a great question. This is Sarah, and she's been leading the marketing campaign so far. She'd be happy to answer any questions you have. In the meantime, if there's anything I can do to help you get settled in, please don't hesitate to ask.
Thank you so much, David. That's really helpful. Maybe sometime next week, I could take you and Sarah out for coffee to learn more about the project.
Sounds great, Amy. Welcome to the team.
Thank you.
Amy, this is Sarah. She'll be your mentor for the first few weeks. Sarah, this is Amy, our new team member.
Hi, Amy. Welcome aboard. I'm happy to help you get acclimated.
Hi, Sarah. Thanks for having me. I'm a fast learner and eager to get started.
So, Amy, how are you feeling so far?
A little overwhelmed, but everyone's been so welcoming.
That's normal. Is there anything I can help you with specifically?
Actually, yes. Could you explain the process for submitting expense reports?
No problem. Let's grab some lunch and I can walk you through it.
And just like that, Amy's first day at Stellar Sneakers is a smashing success. Her confident introduction during the team meeting and her use of appropriate vocabulary undoubtedly impressed her new colleagues. Her polite greetings and clear questions have further helped her navigate the onboarding process with Lisa. Now, as she heads to the break room for a coffee, let's see who she might meet next.
Hey, Amy. I am John. Nice to meet you.
Hi, John. Nice to meet you too.
So, what brings you to Stellar Sneakers?
I'm in the marketing department, working on some upcoming campaigns.
Cool. We've got a great team here. You'll pick things up quickly.
It was nice meeting everyone. See you all tomorrow.
As the workday winds down, Amy takes a moment to reflect. She wants to ensure she's fully prepared for tomorrow's challenges. With a quick goodbye to her friendly colleagues, she seeks out David, her manager, for one final question. The day's experiences are fresh in her mind, and this last inquiry might just be the key to unlocking a smoother tomorrow.
Excuse me, David. I'm not sure I understand how to access the project management software. Could you explain it again?
Sure thing, Amy.
Thank you so much. That was really helpful.
No problem at all. It's been a great first day, Amy. See you tomorrow.
If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more business English lessons. Thank you for watching and join us in the next lesson.